So this is our creamy bechamel lasagna, and by the way, it happens to be gluten-friendly. So gluten-friendly lasagna means zero gluten in the ingredients. However, we do make it in the same kitchen that we make our other lasagnas and other pastas. So there's always a chance of cross-contamination. But that said, we are very careful and we're very aware of that sort of thing. So no gluten in it, phenomenal lasagna. Quick, interesting, funny story. I had a lady come back in and buy 6 of these. She's bought them before. She came and bought 6. She took them camping. When she came back, she told me the story. She said, I took them to the campsite, cooked them all up. Then I asked everyone, who here is gluten-free? Everyone said, nah, not into all that stuff. And then she said, guess what? You've just eaten it for dinner. And everyone was like, what? So it's phenomenally amazing. So we have now a lot of customers who buy this over our standard lasagna, and you really can't notice the difference. It's pretty darn good. So it's not certified, again, as I say, so it's got no gluten in it. However, you won't notice the difference. It is amazing.